How to set up and use Grammarly for Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and type Grammarly. Now once you type Grammarly, simply tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Grammarly and click on install. Now wait for some time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Once you install, tap on open and wait for some time until the screen loads. Now click on get started. Tap on agree. Now tap on open settings. Now give Grammarly all the permissions. Tap on Grammarly and select the toggle. Now tap on open settings and click on agree. Now tap on downloaded apps and select Grammarly. Now enable both toggles and tap on OK. Now tap on the cross button and that's it. You can use Grammarly without any issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.